Oh, students, I am going to the imitation, a different kind of bird which is found in the Himalayan region of the Indian state, the Sikkim, and also the neighboring country like the Bhutan and the Nepal. And so first of all, a imitation of the sound of the laughing thrush, which is found in the isolated area in the Himalayan region. This is also a common bird, and the sound is like that. How the second one is like the laughing thrush, but it is brown colors and found in the Himalayan region, and so it's look like the long crease in the head and the brown color. The sound is like this. Oh, like this. And the third one is the barbet. Here at the beginning, it is a very common birds everywhere we found this barbet, and in Nepal is it the nyao. The sound is like this. Oh, this is barbet. And you know that this is also the found in the Himalayan region, that Patrick's, and in Nepal is it the Pura, and it is found in the isolated area of the Jain forest, Himalayan regions, more than 5,000, 8,000, 9,000 high altitude. The sound is like this. Oh, and you know one of the big bird which is found in the isolated area of the Himalayan. It is found more than 8,000, 9,000, 10,000 high altitude of the Himalayan region. In Nepali say the Munal, and in the English say the Targopan. Sound is like this. And you know one of the bird which is found in the common area in the nearby the village, and in the Nepali say the Baiguni, and it is just like the thrush, and the sound is like this. And the charger, it is called the charger, one of the bird which is found in the charger. It is very common, and sound is like this. And uh, now I've not seen that bird. It seems like the small size and the long peak, long peak. Uh, Sometime I heard that earlier. Sound is like that. Oh, so last one is Kalis. It is very common. Everywhere we found the Kalis, and people also already seen this Kalis color and sound, I think. So the sound is like this. Oh, sound is like this. Thank you for today.